Okay, here you have it, a problem. You're in charge of your company's Salesforce and production reports that you're trying to derive for all the sales managers and product managers and do it real quick. How do we do it? Come with me now and let's have a look. Okay, welcome back. Now, here's the scenario. You're managing the data from a sales team. Here we have 20 reps with their salespersons assigned to those localities. And those salespeople are managed by sales managers within certain sales regions. And we're seeing monthly data for sales compared to previous years and so on, and by the various product categories that each have. So from this sales data where we are managing the sales reporting, we've created a pivot table on our next page, the calculation sheet, with two filters, one for the sales manager, these names here, and a second one for the product category, these categories here. Now, the task that is before you is to create reports for all the sales managers and the product managers based upon the pivot table. So let's have a look at this pivot table. You can see it's got a very basic layout, but what's important about this to get it happening a lot quicker for us, all these reports that we need to do, is that we have these filters in place. Now, let's see where the magic takes on. So, firstly, select the pivot table so that we get the menu options that appear when you have certain elements selected. So we've got one here for design, which is all about the layout of the pivot table and styles and so on. But this is the one we're after, which is the pivot table analyze. Buried away over here under this little drop down of options, we have show report filter pages. Now, wherever you see the ellipses or dots following something, you'll get a dialog box. And here is that one for show filter report filter pages. Firstly, what are we going to show reports on based upon which filter? So here's our two filters, product category and sales manager. Let's choose the product category and click OK. So this is in essence, for the product managers, so they can see everything broken down by their particular product areas. So when we click OK, what I want you to look at is down here. Click OK, and voila, we now have, based upon the product category filters, one for the environmental, industrial, and medical device categories. So those three tabs can be copied and sent to the particular managers. So you've done that all within a couple of clicks. Now, you might be asking, where did our original pivot table go? Well, here it is over here. So we're ready to do our next one, which is by sales manager. So once again, we're still on pivot table analyze. Click the options drop down, show report filter pages. This time we're choosing sales manager. There's a lot more of them. So again, watch down below here. Click OK. And there they are. After that medical devices one, you can see each individual sales manager now has their own tab and therefore own report. So I've chosen the one here for Henry Gray, and his area is for Wales, and there's the two concerned sales reps for Wales. Now, how cool is that? So getting all of that data laid out on different pivot tables, all with a couple of clicks. Now remember, if we go back to our pivot table, it is all to do with having filters in place. So if we click our field list to redisplay that, so any of the fields within our pivot table data, if you drag it into the filters section, you'll then be able to take advantage of show report filter pages. Well, I hope you get something out of that, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, cheers, bye.